Good day to you. In this video I want to show you how to design properly with your Canva app. I see a lot of people, most people are having issue with designing with this Canva app. You don't need to complicate any issue. All you need to do is to know the basic of designing on Canva. You don't need to go into the complex place. So I want to show you how to do it properly using your browser instead of the Canva app. I think that one will be very easy for you if you follow my step. So I'm going to show you the basic, and if I show you the basic, I want you to play with the Canva interface. Play with it. You will discover some new things by yourself. Sometimes you don't need someone to teach you some things before you know it. All you need to do is just try and look for things in those places, and you get an idea of how they works. So I'm going to show you how to design properly with Canva using your browser instead of the Canva app. So what I will do now is to go to my Chrome browser or any browser you are using. Just go to it. Then this is Canva. Just on the search bar, just type canva.com, then search. So this is how the interface looks like, but I want you to be in desktop mode so that we see everything properly. So I'll click on the three sign button, then change it to desktop site, so everything will be in desktop mode. If you can see very well, this is normal Canva, not the Canva Pro. You don't really need the Canva Pro for you to design excellently. This is the Canva I'm using to design my book cover. You can see these are all the designs I've made. You can see all the designs I've made. These are designs I've made. So, and I did it with normal Canva. So all these things I don't see anyone. I know nobody taught me how to do this. I just play with the interface and I learn some things. So the first design I made was very useless. But as I am experiencing with the interface, my design become better. They are becoming better with each design that I'm doing. You can see, if you check it, you see that there are some designs that are not that good, and if you look up again, you see that there are the designs that are okay. It's not like they are perfect, but they are still better, and they are making me sales when I'm doing my book publishings. So what I want you to do is just click on this arrow beside the upload arrow. Click on it, then change it to inches, just like the normal measurement you want to do. If it is 6 by 9, 8.5 by 11, any design you want to do, just change it to the normal design. So in this video I'm going to use 6 by 9. If you are my student, you already know the process, how we got the 6 by 9 and how we get the inches. You already know. I don't want to go into that. All I want to show you here is just how to design very well using Canva. So this is how the interface will look like. So we are starting with our book design right now. You don't need to follow the process I do. All I want you to know is just to know some buttons inside Canva, and for you to know how you can design a good book cover. Just use your creativities. No design is perfect. Use your creativities. If you can design and you see that your design, you can buy. If you design your book and you like the book, you love it, and if you see someone that do it for you, you can buy it from someone else, that means your design is okay. So you don't need to complicate issues. So let's go into it. Before we start, I will first click on the plus sign button by the bottom left hand side. Click on the plus sign. It's bringing out the template. All these templates, you can use it for your design, but I'm not using any template for design. So all I want to do is just design my book from afresh, not using any template. The book design I want to do right now is diabetes cookbook, a cookbook. So you can see by the bottom by the bottom of the screen, you can see some design element text, brand group, upload, draw, apps, and project background. So I'm going to click on text. There are a lot of texts you can use on this Canva app, but I'm going to use the first three. I always go with the first three. So I click on the add heading. So this is it, and I'll put the heading of my diabetes diet cookbook. That is the heading of my book. So, and I want to change the text of this diabetes school book. So all I need to do to change this text is just change. You can see at the bottom you can see some elements. You can see there are a lot of elements, but I need to highlight this first before I can see those elements. You can see. So I'll click on font. I want to change the font. There are a lot of fonts on Canva that you can use, but I normally use this. You can see my recently used, those are the one I normally use for my design. You can decide to test everything, and if you love anyone that you don't have to use the one I'm using. Just do your own research, and the one that you love you can use it. So I'll change the text. That's the text I want. That's the font I want to use. So let me drag, so I've changed the font. That's the font. So I want to change it. So cookbook, I want to enlarge it. You can increase the size. You can increase the size. So I've increased the size. You can rotate it if you want, but I don't want to rotate it. You see this rotation are sign there, that is for you to rotate it. So that is my diabetes school book right here. So I want to change the color. I can come to, you can see at the bottom side, you can see color. I change the color. I want to change it to this color, to this color, but I have to highlight everything first. I have to highlight and change to this color. So that's it. And after I've changed the color, I want some effects to happen on the text. So I will click on effect. You can see, you can decide to check out everything, and if you love anyone you can decide to do it. So because I already know what to do, that's why I'm going straight to where I want to work on. So I'll change the effect to this. You can see the design is getting okay. I can drag it up, style. I've changed the effect to diabetes school book. So I'm dragging it up. So I want to put another subtitle, which is a text. I'll click on the plus sign, add the subheading, then I'll click 20. I'm just formulating these topics on my head. It's not like I'm trying to upload it. I'm just doing it for tutorial sake. Do your book research, all those. So I know you already know all these things. So I'm just going to do it fast so that you don't waste our time. I'm just going to teach you how to create a good cookbook. So 20 recipes for diabetes patients. So let me make this my subtitle. I want to increase the font. I can either drag it, or I come to font size and increase it here. You can see, increase it here. I can see, that's it. Or I can even change the text style or the font. Let me change the font to the first one too. So that's it. So 20 recipes for diabetes patients. I can change the position if I want. I can anything. I can even change the color. Let me change the color of the background. You can see. So there are a lot of things you can do with this Canva app if you know how to work your way. So the next thing I want to do is I want to upload a picture. Just come to the plus sign, then come to upload. These are pictures, images I already have on the on the Canva. So these are all images I already have. If you don't have any image on the Canva app and you have it on your phone, just click on the upload file, and click on device, and you will see the image you want to, or you upload the image there and use. But I already have the image I want to use, so I'm not going to do that those. I'll just come to my image I want to use. Let me use this one. So this image, so this is the image I want to use for my cookbook. It's still loading, so let me drag it down first. The image is still loading. The image is still loading. Let it load. As we are waiting for it to load, then you put, okay, this is it. I'll drag it down. I want it to be here, to the image to be here. I want the image to be here. Let me drag this one up small. I want the image to be here. So that's it. You can see everything is getting perfect. Then you put the name of the author. Come back to text. Then add a subheading. Then put the name of the author. Wale Ajadi. I'm not uploading this thing. You already know how to get your pen name, all those stuff. I've already taught you in the course. If you are my student, go and watch, and you know how to do that. So just, you can put it anywhere. You can put it here. You don't have to put it down. You can put it here. You can put it here. You can put it here. Anywhere you feel like, just to make your design okay, you can put it. And if you like, you can change your cover, your book background. You can change the background. Just click on the background area, then click on color. You can change it to any background you want. Just to make your book look okay. You can change to any background you want. Let me leave it in this background. You can see this is just a preamble, just to show you how to do this. And if you want to upload an image and you don't have the image on your phone, there is something else you can do. Canva 2 also has an AI that can generate image for you. Just click on the plus sign, then click on the app, click on apps. Then you can see the popular app test2. Just click on test2, and after you've done that, click on open. Then type something here. If you are looking for a pregnant, okay, let's say we are designing on cookbook. So let's say fruits and vegetables. You can decide to write anything you want to create. You type it there and the AI will create it for you. Fruit and vegetables, the AI is doing its works to generate image for you. You don't have the image already on your phone. So this thing is very, very simple. Just follow the process and you can see that generate fruit and vegetable that you can use for your book. Just choose the one you like. Let me choose this one. Choose the one you like and it will be, as you can see, it has already been there. It is there already. I just want to scroll down. I don't know what's going on. You can see. You just do it the way you like. I want to delete it, so I don't want to use it. So I'm going to delete this. So that's it. So that about how to design your book cover. So the next thing you want to do is just for you to download your book. So the next thing for you to do is to download your book. After you are done with all the design and you are okay with it, just click on share. and click on download. Click on download. Still loading. I think the network is kind of slow. As you already know the process, click on download. If it is Kindle book you want to, if it is ebook you want to publish, click on JPG and download. If it is paperback, you click on PDF print and download. That is how you create books. Just go to all what I said, play with the Canva app, design books, design repeatedly, design 10 books, 5, 15 books, 20 books. Your first design will suck, it will not be perfect, but don't be discouraged. Keep on designing. The more you design, the perfect you get. So nobody bring all these things from heaven. We all came to this world and learn all these things. So you can self taught yourself. Nobody can teach you except if you are willing to learn. So I want you to design, keep designing. Don't feel like you are not doing anything. My first design, if I should show you my first design, you'll be like, wow, is this you? But now I am good at design. I might not be perfect, but I am good. I know some people that are using this Canva app to make money every day. They are making design for churches, mosques, schools, and organization. They are using this Canva app to make design for them, and they are getting paid. Most graphic designer are using this app to make money. So if you can perfect it, it is okay for you if you can perfect it. So I want you to study it very well. Go again, keep on designing, and you shall get it right. I wish you best of luck.